Hello everybody. Now I want to show that how I change Lexus remote key battery, and this is Lexus model what is very common, and first you need to take this metal part away, and then you can see that there is this hole in this plastic area in there, and then you can see that this key's first point is very sharp and it fits right away in here, and then you only change this metal key in that way, and then this plastic cover opens in that way, and inside of that there is this circuit board, and if you change that back, it normally drops away, or then you can use small screwdriver, and in that way now it goes away, and there is this battery, and when you little bit switch this area very carefully, because these pins must be in good condition, don't destroy those. And then you need new battery, and there is idea that you install this new battery in behind of those there are those 3 pins, and they must be in very nicely. Don't destroy these metallic pins, and then you check that it is in balance. Very good. And then you set up this in back in here in that way, and then only close this cover and push in down, and then you can hear this hard click, then everything is fine, and then you end this change that you put that in back. Okay, now it's ready. Thank you very much.